Hey y'all, Miss Brown here, your favorite 8th grade science teacher. Okay, here is what we're doing for Friday, November 13th. Ah! Friday the 13th. Ah! Okay, y'all, so to start, please check your journal pages 26, 27, 28. Make sure, y'all, if you get more than a couple wrong, kind of figure out what you did. Are you working too quickly? And make sure you check in with me because on the assessment, you want to make sure you know how to do this. So here is the key for page 26. I did it a few different ways. So you kind of notice I have it this way, then I did it this way, then I did charts, and then I did this side and this side. So y'all, I'm just trying to show you that there's a few different ways that you can count atoms, whatever way is easiest for you. So for example, zinc right here. Ooh, that's nice and clear, y'all. I love that. Zinc, so I have, let me scoot over. No. Oh, yeah, there we go. Ooh, I like that. So zinc, I have one zinc on the left, I have one zinc on the right. Hydrogen, I have three because this coefficient distributes, and I have three chlorines. And then on the right side, the product side, I have two chlorines and two hydrogens. So this is not balanced, and I made some little notes because you have the same number of zinc, but different numbers of hydrogen and chlorine. So it's not balanced if even one of the elements is not the same on both sides. So for example, one that would be balanced would be number 9, because I have 3 NAs on the left and I have 2 NAs on the right. So this one's not balanced. My apologies. I should be talking about 10 right here. So number 10, 3 times 2 is 6 hydrogen. Right here I have 4 hydrogen. You're saying that's not balanced. That's not 6. But right here I have 2 more. So 4 and 2 is really 6. Then I have 2 P or 2 phosphorus because that 2 distributes. And I have a subscript of 2 here. So that's good. And then I have 8 oxygen because 2 times 4 is 8. And here I have, I think it was 6 maybe, y'all, and 2 I can't tell because I circled it. But I have 8 there as well, so that's balanced. Oh yeah, much better, y'all. Check that out. How clear that is. Let me scroll back. Hold on, y'all. Oh yeah. So yeah, so that's why I have 7 H's and then 1 O, which makes for the 8 oxygens right there. So y'all, that's a little side note. If it is not clear enough for you to see, you can zoom into it. Awesome. And then this is page 27. A couple questions at the top, and this is huge for the quiz you'll need today. The reactants are on the left, and the products are on the right. The way that I think about it is product is like the final, the end, and in a math equation, the end is on the right-hand side. Another way I think about it is the reactants react to make the final product. So the reactants are on the left because they have to add up to make the one on the right. Sorry, y'all, as I'm home sick waiting for my COVID results, I also have people here fixing my floors from my flood last month, which is nice. Page 28, this review, so use that to check. Awesome sauce. So first things first, check pages 26, 27, and 28 to make sure you're good to go. And now we're starting the last topic. So chemical reactions. Here are all your expectations. These are your I can statements. So this is what you should be able to do by the end of this topic. Quizlet, you're going to want to click on that, y'all, and always use it because this is a great resource for y'all to be studying the vocab words as you're going through. I will definitely assign the 3 Quizlets for you guys right before the test as well, but you have them here to be practicing. And if I scroll down, you can see that we have 11 words, and the lovely Mrs. Schultz made this for us. So we have 11 words that we can use for that Quizlet. So scroll down. Here are your essential questions. We're going to pick 4 to focus on. So what y'all are going to do is you're going to go to page 29 of your journal, and it's the brand new topic 3 chemical reactions KWQ chart. So as soon as this bad girl loads, we're going to scroll over and check out the KWQ. So as always, y'all, I like a 3-2-1. So if you can do 3 things you know, 2 things you want to know about, and 1 specific question, that would be awesome. Let me get rid of this Quizlet, y'all, because I think it's slowing me down. And if you can't come up with 3 things you know, then maybe hit next again and watch the video real quick. or do a little Google search, or give me 3 things you want to know. As long as you do a combination of 3, 2, 1, I don't care if you do 3 things you want to know, 2 questions, and 1 thing you know, whatever floats your boat. Here are the 4 essential questions. You can shorten them up, you can rephrase them if you want, and you're going to write them at the top of page 29. Then give me a 3, 2, 1 for your KWQ. Keep page 29 open because you are going to watch this short video and you're going to continue taking your notes on page 29. So let's say you couldn't find 3 things you know. No worries. Watch this video by the cool Todd Ramsey, and y'all can add to your KWQ that way. That's fine with me. So watch this TED Ed video, which I love a great TED Ed video, and it is about 4 minutes long. And then at the bottom of your 29, you've got some extra room. Take some notes. Okay, hitting up next, and that says to do date November 12th. I should actually fix that date. I'm just noticing now because it's the 13th today. Okay, y'all, and then here is what you're going to do. You are going to do Brain Pop work. So what I love about Brain Pop and GCISD is we have an account. So y'all, I can assign work directly to your Brain Pop account, which is pretty cool. So once you log into ClassLink, if you click here, it will bring you right to Brain Pop, and on your dashboard, it will have your 4 assignments for today. So you must go to ClassLink first. So go to ClassLink and then click on this Learning Commons resource folder, which then has all of these resources. So then you'll click Brain Pop from there. I am going to show you what it looks like when you log on from a student viewpoint. So you're going to click here and you are going to log into Brain Pop. It might boot you out. You might have to log into Canvas first and then open your Brain Pop from Canvas, and this should be sitting right on your dashboard. So as that loads, your dashboard looks just like this. So it says Brain Pop, here's the date, science class, it'll have your class period instead, and then you're going to watch the chemical equation movie, take the graded quiz, watch Law of Conservation of Mass movie, take the graded quiz. So same thing, y'all, it's going to say login, and that's fine. So you're going to go to your class link, and I'm going to kind of model exactly what y'all are going to do. So you're going to go to your class link, wait for it to load, take a sip of your drink, preferably my venti triple non-fat latte extra hot, which I cannot live without. Waiting, waiting, class link, go. Perfect. So you might be going, Brain Pop, I don't see one. It's not here. Well, that's because it is right here in the Learning Commons resource. So click that, then click Brain Pop GCISD, and then once you log on, it will link you right to Brain Pop, and you should be able to look right at your student dashboard and see all of these wonderful assignments that I've put in there for you. So 2 videos, 2 quizzes. You want to do well on these, y'all, because the next quiz is a Canvas quiz, and it is graded, and it will go into the grade book. So if you absolutely bomb these, you want to go back, rewatch the video, maybe do some flashcards, figure something out before you go back and try that Canvas quiz. So here's what you have, but like I said, y'all will have the dashboard that will show you. So now see how it logged me in, it went to that main page, and now it's bringing me exactly where I want to go. So y'all just kind of need to be a little patient. Hit dashboard up top, and it will bring you right to your assignments. And don't forget, this will show me if you've watched the video, if you stopped it early, and it will also show me what you got on the quizzes. So then here we go. I will I will do 3, but I'm going to do student view. So let me click on this. And then this is what it will show y'all. It will show you exactly what you have to do. So if I click student view, when you log into Brain Pop, this is exactly what will pop up for you, just like I screenshotted in that picture. And then you will click through the 4 things, obviously watch the videos first, so you'll hit go to the video and then take the quiz, then go to the conservation mass and then take the quiz. And y'all, don't forget, if you want to kind of pop on and do some more work, you can log into Brain Pop, search chemical reactions, and give some of the other things a try. So wait a sec, let this load. So here's the video, exactly what I want you to do. Sodium chloride, NaCl, makes table salt. You're gonna watch this quick little 3-minute video, and then take the quiz. And then you're going to do the same exact thing with conservation of mass.
Hey, Moby, you should never do that.
Moby! And then I remind you, you're going to have a graded Canvas quiz, y'all. It will go in the grade book, so try your best. Hit next. Okay, so below is a video of me reading the quiz out loud, so if you need it, it's there. If not, you can totally skip it. And then here's the quiz. I put the Google Drive link just in case, because sometimes Canvas Studio videos are funky. And that's it, y'all. It's 10 questions, so you're going to answer the 10 questions, and then I will get the grade. If you don't do as well as you want to, take it a second time. But remember, y'all, I average them. So if you get a 60 the first time and a 70 the second time, that averages to a 65. So just try your best the first time around so you get the better score. Okay, y'all, so real quick walkthrough. Number 1, check your work, pages 26, 27, 28. Number 2, KWQ chart. Number 3, Law of Conservation of Mass video. Number 4, Brain Pop. And number 5, this graded quiz. Love y'all. Happy Friday the 13th. Ooh, spooky. And as always, y'all fill my buckets each and every day. Overflowing. Have a good weekend.